Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show ruler in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word, and as you can see, I have shown my ruler. This is for the horizontal ruler and this is for the vertical ruler. And I'm going to show you guys how we can show this ruler in Microsoft Word. If you want to show it, you can go to the view menu right here. Okay, and in this view menu, you will be able to show the ruler. Just click on this checkbox to show the ruler like this. Okay, as you can see, we'll be able to show the ruler right here. And here you can also show the grid lines if you want, and also the navigation pane. But here I'm just going to show my ruler. Okay guys, and that's all the way to show ruler in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.